Do you speak to Rigathi Gachagua, for instance? How is the relationship right now?
There are some questions that you'll allow me to answer generally.
Okay.
In politics, I decided I will not have any enemy.
You haven't answered my question.
And any person may be my enemy. I will not be anyone's enemy, because I realized enmity, hatred, and those corrosive emotions, they burden you down.
Okay.
Now, Rigathi Gachagua is my friend.
To date?
He's my friend. How is he not my friend?
When's the last time you spoke?
We spoke recently.
I
have no enemy in this politics.
How recent is recent, Mheshimiwa?
Recent?
Recent could be a year ago.
No. Just you in Atosha. Just know that I have no enemy. My phone is closed to no one.
Okay. You haven't blocked anyone?
Why should I?